you around with me, and we are going to do a nice breakfast. We are going to go to my mom's place, and we are also going to go shopping. And we might have some more plans, which you'll see in this vlog further. So, without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So, it is almost 12 in the morning. We are kind of having a brunch now. We are going to this cafe in Andheri. It's known as Bombay to Barcelona. It's a very beautiful cafe. It's a library cafe actually, and we used to go there all the time when we used to stay back in Andheri. And it has some yummy breakfast. I love their breakfast and their food overall, and it's also very, affordable. Not very expensive, not even cheap, but very nice. And since it's a library cafe, my love grows a little more. So we're going to go there for the breakfast. And you might have seen me get ready in the previous clips. So yeah, this is how I am looking. And I'm all set for the day. And now let's go and have breakfast. And here we are for the brunch. And this is my date for today. Me too, we are hungry. Let's go. Always teasing me, always telling me. और अब देखो कितने मजे ले रहा है ना? Prince, how are you feeling at home? Let me see your face. Let me see your face थोड़ा सा. Okay, I am going to write something, but what will I write? No, I will write karma. पकड़ी ना एक मिनट. पकड़ी. This is called. This is not working.
Karma
is in your favor.
Karma कुटा है.
See?
This is not working either. ये प्लास्टिक में कुछ नहीं चल रहा है.
Karma. गोभी. वेली पापी मिली हुई है तुम्हारे नाम.
नहीं ना. पेन ही चलेगा.
पेन दे दो चलेगा ना.
जोर ना ला रही.
नहीं ला रही तुम.
मेरे पे जोर मत डाल.
कर्मा इज स्पेलिंग रॉन्गली. ठीक है.
कर्मा.
कमरा हो गया हो बेटा.
कर्मा हो या पागल कमरा नहीं हो.
मां दे उत्ते आओ की कर रही है. उसे की कर रही है. कम. रॉन्ग है ये है कि नहीं?
नहीं इट्स राइट.
मैं कह रहा हूं
आई एम द टीचर.
नहीं बराबर है.
कर.
कमरा में आ आएगा.
हाँ.
तो हिंदी में लिखा है तो मेरे को पता है. क्या है ये?
I'm sure you will.
Hits.
Back.
Hard.
So much fun. प्रिंस रीड करिए जरा की लिखे प्रिंस. देखते सही की लिखे. अरे देखना. अरे रीड इट. Hi guys, and we have left my mom's place. As you saw, my brother got hurt, so we had gone there to just see how he is doing and everything. And now we've left from there. We're going to Bandra for some shopping. It's been quite a while that I went to Bandra, and in fact I should put my mask down. And it's been quite some time since I went to Bandra. I think it was college days since I went, and ever since then I've never gone to Bandra Hill Road and Link Road. So I'm just very excited to go there, you know. Obviously I'm not going to buy any clothes there because it's not going to fit, and I never used to find my size there in clothes. But let's see if things have changed. But otherwise I'm definitely going to buy quite a lot of accessories. I'm looking forward to buying some jewelry, some bag, and maybe even some shoes. And yeah, that's what the plan is. Let's get going. Hi guys, we are back in the car. I am done with my shopping. Quite a lot of stuff here that we have bought. Really could not decide what we want to eat, so we have come here. But I might come here and show you my setup also.